Good afternoon, everyone. Happy Thursday. We're getting closer to the weekend. And we are dealing with a beautiful day. And there was a beautiful start in Twill. I know this is exactly where we were getting storms that moved through yesterday, brought rain, hail, you heard thunder, some lightning. But then we woke up this morning to a beautiful sunrise. Shout out to Christopher Anderson for posting this photo to Utah's Weather Authority. And we'll take a look outside just a couple hours ago. Lots of sunshine from the Intermountain camera. And you're seeing that up at Deer Valley. It looks glorious out there with that sun kind of just pouring over the Jordanelle. Things are still green up at Deer Valley. But let's talk about what's happening next. So that storm that moved through yesterday, it interacted with the moisture. It helped those showers and storms blossom up. It's moving out of here, and this high pressure is saying move it or lose it. It's building in, and this is going to be parked over the Beehive State this upcoming weekend, and that's what's going to help our temperatures climb like crazy. We're talking about dangerous heat going into the weekend. Ahead of that, though, I mentioned earlier, we still have moisture that's in place, and so we might notice some stray isolated storms popping up. You can see early this afternoon some of those through southern Utah, and that's going to continue mainly through southern, central Utah, even near that southern Idaho border, so for parts of Box Elder County, and then it's going to move out of here later tonight. So flash flooding is still going to be a concern. It's possible, not as widespread as it was yesterday. Bryce Canyon, Capitol Reef, Grand Staircase, and also San Rafael Swell. It's not expected anywhere else. And so if these storms do blossom up, the greater threat this afternoon will be gusty winds. It looks like Salt Lake City are going to stay mainly dry. Winds could pick up, though, as those storms develop. We'll be in the mid-90s this afternoon. Keep in mind, too, dew points are high. You might even feel that moisture outside. So 95 is going to feel more like a muggy 95. And I know we're not used to that in the Beehive State. We're used to that dry heat normally. Low 80s in Park City. You're going to reach 109 down in St. George. So it's going to get toasty down south. And tonight we'll drop back down to the low 70s. So actually another mild start. But after tomorrow morning, all that, it goes out the door, and it's all about the heat, and you can see excessive heat warnings. They're going to go into effect tomorrow for those areas shaded in pink, so that includes Zion National Park, Lower Washington County, and then the excessive heat watch right near Lake Powell. And then in northern Utah, you can see in our northern Wasatch Front, Salt Lake Valley, Tooele County, and also Box Elder County. We have that excessive heat watch. So dangerous heat is in place for this upcoming weekend. Keep that in mind if you are making plans outside. The earlier you can get out to do things, the better, because boy, it's going to be scorching. I mean, take a look at southern Utah. You climb each and every day. 110 Friday, 111 Saturday, dry, hot, and sunny on Monday for Pioneer Day at 105 degrees, so a little bit cooler than Saturday. Northern Utah heat wave starts tomorrow for you. We're back to the triple digits, and we stay that way into Monday, Saturday, Sunday, hottest days of the week. We will be challenging some records, getting close to them. Overnight lows dropping into the upper 70s by Monday for Pioneer Day. It will be a toasty one, baking hot at 101 degrees. And then we're back down to the 90s Tuesday and Wednesday. Still hot, just not as hot as Saturday and Sunday with overnight lows in the low to mid 70s.